Hey guys, so today I have here a Ford Everest 2.0 turbo diesel. This one is 4-wheel drive full-time. So today I have here the car customer want to do power upgrade package. So I'm gonna introduce to you a basic package that very effective on this car. The package includes RaceChip GTS installed on the engine, modify the turbo and common rail signal to improve the power of the car. The next item in the package is the K&N Air Filter. Basically this one is bringing more air into the engine, better than the stock air filter. As simple as that, nothing more, nothing less. So when you add more boost, more fuel, you need more air. So this one will have less restrictions flow on the chamber, so it will also help to increase the power. And the last item in the package is the RaceChip XLR. This one basically will modify the throttle signal, so you can have more fun when driving, or you can decrease the power of the car when you let it when you let your wife driving it or some other driver. You don't want to have aggressive driving, you can use the eco modes on this one to reduce the power. Okay, so before going to detail of everything, I'm gonna run the dyno test with the stock car, and then I will run the dyno test again with the RaceChip GTS install at the highest mode to see how much it's got. Okay, let's do it. Okay, the car is on the dyno now. I've turned off the traction control, and let's just wait for the engine to warm up, and then I will run the stock test. Okay, so here is the result after we install all the stuff together. When we dyno the stock car, it's 154 wheel horsepower, and after we install, it's 185.8, so roughly about 31 wheel horsepower again at the wheel. And torque, the stock car is 316 Newton meter at wheel, and after we install all the stuff, it's 361, so roughly about 45 Newton meter again at the wheel. You can see that the torque coming earlier than original, so it's definitely will bring a lot more fun when driving. Okay, so this is the results of the power upgrade package. Thank you for watching Passio Tuning channel. Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe to our channel. See you soon.